Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change Ring Alarm Keypad code. Need to change the code for your Ring Alarm Keypad? One thing to know is that you can change it directly from the keypad itself. Instead, Ring requires you to do this through the Ring app. The keypad is mainly used for arming and disarming the system, while access codes are managed in your account settings. To change the code, open the Ring app using the account that has the alarm system connected. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner and go to User Permissions. From there, select the user whose keypad code you want to update. You would then see the option to reset the access code. Simply enter a new 4-digit code and save the changes. The new code should take effect immediately, allowing the user to arm and disarm the alarm with the updated PIN. If you don't see the User Permissions option, make sure you're signed into the correct Ring account and that you have owner or shared user privileges for the alarm system. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.